It's electric!
This is our CCSU siren from CET 323. This is our circuit board with our speaker on top and the box that it's in.
Hi, I'm Kevin Moffitt.
And I'm Dominic Moriello.
Today we're going to talk to you about the circuit that we designed in CET 323 at Central Connecticut State University.
During this presentation, we're going to show you how the circuit is, what it looks like, and the steps it takes to go through the circuit. The first step in the circuit is the 12-volt power supplies, which is what we're using, and as it goes from the power supply, it goes all the way up to switch A. From switch A, it goes to resistor 4.
When the current reaches the first capacitor, it begins to charge. This alters the biasing of the first transistor, which begins to give you a rising tone.
From transistor 1, it goes up to transistor 2, which when it goes from here, it keeps the LED in series, so it keeps blinking with the tone. From the LED, it runs through the rest of the circuit, down over the resistors and the capacitors, all the way up through the speaker.
You can see it.
For future improvements, we could also add a 555 timer attached to a relay. The 555 would give us an output of a square wave. This would open and close the relay rather than having a manual switch.
Also, for future improvements, we would put in an inverted op-amp hooked up to a variable feedback resistor, which would change the tone and the frequency of the rest of the circuit to give you multiple tones and multiple volumes for the rest of the siren.